Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ka Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Institute Guwahati kabalong katnat rekam jong sarkar India haringkat kajing trelang bat ka PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry Northeastern Region Guwahati haka arpratre grumpang arjar arpo kala pelong yang kajing tireta lor kapang understanding the importance of public procurement policy ya kabala pelong State Convention Shillong. Habakren hagani ka new director jong Khadi and Village Industries Commission KVIC Shillong UI Jawahar ulapen pau bakatnat micro, small and medium enterprises kadai ka medba kabakongsan Kyntiew gayo akot jong kari India kabala ban ajing kirsyan hado arpo million gun kipat ba anong syongsyonong jong kari India hakaliang ka Sengkam Sengjam.
For the Indian economy, because they are after the major industries, MSME is the backbone to the Indian economy, because they are creating great employment in India. Do you know how much employment? 120 million employments have been created by the MSME in this country. Because everybody cannot reach the major industries. The small cottage industries, like micro industries up to 25 lakhs, small industries from 25 to 5 crore, and medium industry from 5 crore to 10 crores. These are the industries that are established widely in all over the country. For the manufacturing, MSME is contributing 6.11% of the GDP. For the service industry, 24.6%. That means 33.4% of the GDP is coming from the MSME sector. So how important you people are. Don't think that my unit is small. You are contributing to a greater cause. When you are running a unit, you are the boss, you are the entrepreneur. And you are giving the employment to the few people. Those people who go and do job are not greater than you, because they are not their own bosses. They are subordinates somewhere. So if you want to become a boss, wanted to become an entrepreneur, feel honored. Don't think that my unit is small. You are joining to a greater cause in the country. In your village, in your city, you are doing a great job. So MSME is a great place. MSME is a great line to be chosen to establish your own unit. Arey, hamara unit hai, I am having a very small unit, disheartened. Zeal should come from inside. That is the most important for anybody. That energy level has to come up from the MSMEs. Those MSMEs who have chosen their zeal, that I will show it, I will do it, because the problem is everywhere. Those units could establish and could become successful. So that is a requirement in yourself. We are all with you. All departments are with you. But your energy is required. So most important thing is that become yourself a good, make your product a very good product. You should get satisfied. When you go to a market, what you see? You see the product which is the best. So try to make your product the best. Try to go to the best. You search for the market. Now the GEM portal is there, online portal is there. There are different government departments are there. All are procuring. Do you know that the pottery, the potter, kullad, the tea cup, now railways are procuring. Guwahati railway station, they have banned the paper cups. So there is some opportunity the government is creating as per the Act, MSME Act 2066, and then further amendment in 2015, it was made mandatory.